So for the fourth step, we're now going to show you how to use your fingers, one of the important parts of pottery making.
Alright, so make sure your hands are wet, clay is wet, and for this step we're going to pull the walls of the clay upwards. So put your hands like this, thumbs together for more stability, and from down, let's pull the clay upwards. Slowly, slowly, and once you reach the tip, slowly let go. So just in case you make the rim too wide like this, you can always put it back, okay? Doing this. Okay, and there you have it.
Now we know how to use our fingers. The next step, taking your work off the potter's wheel.